So you done remove the old faucet.
Yep.
So then we put the new one in.
Yep.
Run
Okay.
everything up.
That's good.
It clean up around here.
We'll take it back off. We'll clean it up.
Alright, so.
It might be a little smaller than the other one.
It is. See, this is our old faucet, and the water wasn't coming out of it properly anymore, so we're going to put in a new faucet. But we're going to clean this first. So you just spraying it with some awesome. Put your ball of shaving stuff out the way. What's that something you get up your nose and clean out? This right here. Oh, so you slide this, your items out the way. All right, so now it's clean.
Just drop it on down.
All right, so
that's
now,
good.
There you go.
Take them screws over there. Go up underneath. How to pull up on that stopper when you want to stop it up. All right. You see my pliers down there?
You talking about these?
Yeah.
I sure hope. Hate I missed. I forgot to hit video when I strewed in those pieces under there. So what you see, he's tightening it up now. That's what I forgot to video. Huh?
It carry this up and down.
It carried that latch right there up and down?
Stopper up and down.
Okay.
All right. Then we're going to put the lines back on. I hope I don't get them twisted off crooked.
Yeah, to untangle them.
No, I hope I had a hot and the cool.
If not, you'll be taking back loose.
Hope not.
Probably need to mark one of them.
You got to move the phone.
I mean, it's a confined space, real tight.
Your phone. Please.
You hit them down there. Hold on. Nope, over here. Right here.
Move your knee up, boy.
So then you're going to tighten up the other one. Ooh, so many of these hoses. No, it's not getting hot in there.
Hot yet?
It's warming up.
Let me go get real hot so I know it's hot fast.
Yeah, it's warm. It's not hot, but it's warming up.
It ain't cold no more. That's hot fast.
Yes, it's hot.
I'll cut that now. Alright, don't run the cold. Get the air out of the line. Run the cold.
Nothing's coming out.
Oh, I ain't got the valve on. My bad. Cut it off.
It's off.
Alright, run the cold.
You turn the valve on.
Run the cold.
Yeah, I heard a little air come out. Yes, coming out good. A lot of pressure coming out. So that's done.
No, it's not done yet.
What else is you do?
I gotta hook the drain up.
Oh, and clean that water up down there.
Yeah.
Get some paper towel.
I gotta put the clip on.
Yeah, thank you for cleaning that up, because we don't want that to
I don't want to miss my cabinet.
warp the bottom of the cabinet.
Alright.
I want to get that bottle of baby oil out your way. Some items I had stocked up under there.
Gotta put the clip on. Up and down.
So the clip.
This your little clip right here. See it? This your clip. Right there. See it? Alright, you gotta put this on. This one goes up and down. Right, take that little clip. You gotta turn it around. Put it on the other side in the hole.
Let me try to go from the other side.
From this way.
See clip? Okay, I see it.
Alright, and then go up there to stop and go up and down. See, making sure it closes. He all in my bag.
I know we in a tight spot. Alright, so you said
you look at it up there. Pull it up. Alright, is it closed up there?
It's closed.
Push it back down.
And it open.
Alright, we good. That's
so
it.
It closed and it open. Get up here. It's closed. And now when I push it down,
It's open.
it opens.
Let's put this stuff back.
So that's it?
That's it. Put the stuff back.
Oh yeah. Stock the items back up under there.
Yeah, look my chair under here.
Yes, I did. You probably won't even remember how I had it stocked.
You want to put it back like you had it? I appreciate it.
Okay, let me restock it.
This don't have to go back down there. You don't need that.
Your case.
You need light?
No.
Don't need
Not on the inside. Just
light.
leave
Up
it.
here.
Okay. So you hand me the items. Hand me that that paper towel. So then we try to stock a lot of items. Let's just move these bags out you have.
I take this.
Still feel a little damp.
This dry.
Nope, over in the corner.
No.
It's still a little damp over there. So you see all that foam over there? We had a mice that had got in from the field in the back one time. And so we just filled that in. We figured that's the only place it could be coming in. So ever since then, we haven't had any problems with mice coming in from the field. Because we're out in the country. Alright, so how many of those wipes? She's gonna need that. So that's some more soap. Deodorant. I have a lot of deodorant. Q-tips, stack them on top of each other.
Something go back there now, baby.
I have some back there, and I left some down here.
Not my car. Not my car.
Okay, so what else we had to go down here?
Soap in 3 feet.
Yeah, yes, and this.
Oh, you
What
can
is
drop some down here. Funny here.
What is this?
That's a haircut thing.
Oh, some you use to cut hair. All right, and this your other stuff, your liquids.
What's that?
Some liquid items. What is this? What you have in here? Oh yeah, it look like some scissors to cut hair.
Yeah.
Some things in there. All right, so I'm just gonna stand this up on the side. Over there to keep that propped up. And then the scissors. Put all your stuff to cut hair right there. Alright, so I have some more room. Put all the items under here. That's the alcohol, some things. So I got my various types of hair grease. I want to put that on my hair and some other things. Ooh, we have plenty more items we can get up under here. What you said? Clipper box for when you cut your hair?
Yeah.
Keep your clippers in a case?
Alright.
You know what? I'm going to move this back. I'm going to put this up under here.
No, I'll probably using that stuff there.
Oh, you use it often?
Clean it, yeah.
Okay.
Come over there.
Okay. So that in that for that dollar alcohol there. And I'll put that over there.
You gonna turn your light on. We're gonna check for leaks. Always gotta check for leaks.
Alright. So you said the light on.
Check for leaks.
Check for leaks.
You ready?
Alright.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, that's nice. The hot water side first. No leaks?
No leaks.
Okay, a little cold.
Because it be leaking down on some of these items.
Yeah. No leaks?
No leaks. Alright, family, y'all see any leaks?
That is nice, the way that water coming out.
I don't see any leaks.
You hear me?
You said the way the water coming out?
You know how slow the water used to come out the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of pressure.
A lot of pressure.
A lot of water.
That's way a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Get my tools.
Alright, and that's a wrap for another one. Woo. Help me get up. This little tight spot over here, these little bathrooms. Alright, family, so that's another one.
Looking good.
So this came inside of the box as well, but we didn't need it because the other one we had still functioning properly. So we'll keep this. We'll keep this as a spare, just in case we need it. Here, piece we had for the stopper. You know, we put this down here under the sink so that way we always know where it is. We won't have to hunt it down and try to find it. So these are the only two tools we use. What is the wrenches?
Adjustment wrench and the pliers.
Okay, this is the adjustment wrench and this is the plier. Thanks so much for staying with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Okay, share it out with other people. Thanks so much for staying with me until the end.